I'm Kenzie Ali in grade 2. Today we'll talk about amazing birds. All birds have feathers and all birds lay eggs. Most birds build nests for their eggs, but some birds don't. Most birds can fly, but some birds can't. I want to talk with you about the falcon bird. The falcon bird is so fast. The falcon travels between continents to find food. The falcon use their beaks as a weapon. They can see better than humans 8 times. I want to be as strong as falcon. Thank you all.
Hello, my friends. My best bird is ostrich. Ostrich cannot swim and it cannot swim and it cannot fly. It lay eggs and it can run quickly.
Swan color white. Swan lay eggs and swan can swim and fly but cannot run.
Hello my friends. Today I'll talk about the ostrich bird. An ostrich can't fly but it can run very, very fast. An ostrich bird, it has the biggest egg in the world. It is as big as 24 hen's egg. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.
I want to talk about the ostrich bird. The ostrich bird cannot fly but can run very fast. And ostrich cannot swim but can lay eggs.
Owl is a cute bird. It has big eyes and flat face. Owl have feathers and lay eggs. The hummingbird, the smallest bird in the planet. He has small egg and has a long beak and to eat to get food and he can fly anywhere.
I want to talk about ostrich. An ostrich has wings, but it can't fly. An ostrich but can run very, very fast. An ostrich lays the biggest egg.
Amazing birds. Penguin lives in cold places and lives next to water to catch fish. Penguin has wings, but it can't fly, but they can swim fast.